Today we're very pleased to offer this lovely little Kia Picanto 1 litre, finished in lovely breeze blue. The car was registered in March 22 and done a full 12,000 miles. I'll just take you in first of all for a close up of the 14-inch alloy wheels. I'll just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. Come to the rear and you'll see there the 7-year Kia warranty, which is transferable. To the boot area, 60/40 split. Good size boot there. To your near side rear view. Just take into the rear quarters. You see there the seats finally being sat in. In lovely condition as you expect. And now to the near side front, we'll just take it from the close up of the front wheel. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. Again, right up to the front. And just take me around to the driver's side and we'll just jump in the car and just show you some of the goodies. So straight away you'll see electric front and rear windows, electric heated mirrors. I'll show you the seats, quite adjustable seats. So let's just jump in the car. So as we said, 12,000 miles. This is auto lights. We've also got trip computer here. Up and down just gives you range. The MPG, it will come up 57.8, very healthy. Okay, as we move across, you'll see DAB radio or Bluetooth. When we come down, all the controls, air conditioning, USB port there, charging socket to the stop start vehicle, 5-speed manual box. Okay, we'll just pop out for one last look. As I mentioned, the car was registered 31st of March 2022. It has a balance for the 7-year Kia nationwide warranty. We will service the car on purchase. We do offer nationwide delivery. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, give himself Tom or any of the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.